Hello people, welcome back to Tech Time with T. That's my YouTube channel. Mainly it's how to fix cars, demonstration step by step, or I have a cover song there. And today what I'm going to do is how to do auto heat press. I got HTVrONT heat press. Automated heat press, so I'm gonna try that out. So my channel basically is Tech Time with T, do yourself automotive, cover song, but another category will be the how to do a heat press video. So that's what I'm gonna do. But first, let's go with the unboxing the heat press machine itself. This is my first time getting it, so let's rock and roll. Let's do this. Alright guys, let's do it. Alright, what I'm gonna do is grab the auto heat press here. I'm gonna put it on the table and let's do a demonstration. I will do a review, unbox it, review, and later on I will do some DTF transfer heat press. Alright, let's do this. I got my t-shirts. And also I get all my equipment, so we're ready to do the demonstration. But first I'm gonna grab the auto heat press and let's unbox it. Alright, let's do this. A little heavy, and I'm sorry that I'm actually putting the cameras on a tripod right now. I'm going back out, in and out, just to turn off and on. Alright, so I just want to let you know that I'm by myself right now. I'm doing this, so let's do it. So, as you can see right here, it's the auto heat press from HTVrONT. Let me put it on the table and do this. Oh, a little heavy there. Let me close this real quick. There you go. Alright, let me see. Let me show you what it is right there. I can see it's right there, auto heat press, and this is auto heat press. I'm excited to do this, by the way. I'm just looking forward to it. Let's open it up. I get, let me see. Hopefully the camera doesn't shut off yet. Go. I don't think I need the box, but just in case, you know. There you go. Let's see what they have in here. Just for now. Okay. First, we got the HTVrONT instruction manual. Alright. You know, it show you turn it on, turn it off, what it is. So it's like a small manual, like how many pages? Like 8 pages from front to bottom to the back. That's what we got. How to clean, turn them on, what temperature it is, Fahrenheit, Celsius. Okay, let's do this. That's the manual. And also it comes with the Teflon paper, which when you do the DTF heat prep, you need this, okay? Alright, let's leave it right here. And as you can see, I got a heat press. Nice, I love it. See how I do this? A little heavy, but oh boy. Let me see. I think, let me put this out here a little bit for now. And then I think I saw it on a video. Oh, I just want to make a shout out to, I've been watching her video, Angel B Design. That's awesome. Great video, great context, and I love the video and your show. That's Angel B Design. She's straight to the point. She's not BSing it. And she is non-filtered. What she actually says, she says it. So I love it. It's authenticity of it, you know. That's what I love about how her show is. So that Angel B Design. So check her out on YouTube channel. I think just tip it over and slide it out. I think that's what some people do. Okay, maybe not, right? What a struggle. Alright, second option, let's destroy the box. There we go. Cut it. Would be easier too if I have, you know, one of those box cutter. But I do not have it today. So let's cut it. It's pretty good anyway, the scissors. And whew, here it is. Let me do this, put here for now. So you can see, I'm sliding it out just like that. Okay, we're protected by foam. You can see two foam on the side. And that. Two foam, let me put it here for now. Put it on under the table for now, out of the way. A little messy. And then let's lift it up. Also, there's another protective foam here too, you can see. Oh, this is so nice. So nice. So it is you can handle this part. Oh, that's not that bad now. Because I believe it's only about 38 pounds for the machine. I think maybe my arm can lift 38 pounds, right? But I don't know. Sometimes like 25 pounds seem like pretty heavy for me. Okay? So, yep, okay. Tomorrow's a trash day. Perfect timing for the box to go out, right? So recycle it. We're good. Put it on the table for now. Get out of the way. I'll clean it after. Let's me lift this here. Bring it to the back. As you can see, it's right here. Okay? This is nice. I believe this is a power on and off button. And I believe there's a swing out. That platform there. That's where the shirt goes. Wow, look at that. So this actually come off. It's just by that thing right here. Like elastic. I'm going to show you everything. So I have one of these protected mat. Okay. Slide right in and out. You can see it's like a draw. Okay, let me put that back. Sorry guys, welcome back. Basically, I want to demonstrate this real quick. As you can see, I pulled it out already earlier, and I'm gonna plug in the cord to heat up. Okay, it's pretty long. Let me see. Here we go. I can hear it actually beep. And take this off. There's a screen. As you can see, there's a power on right there. Sorry if I'm in and out, but I just want to show you how to do it. So this is the power. So you press it down, actually turn on, as you can see, and basically this machine lifts up about 1 inch only. Okay, so when this goes back and you put the shirt and stuff in here, it 1 inch from the heat and the platform. Okay, so and I'm going to show you this part right here also. So there's the power, and there's the temperature right here, either Fahrenheit or Celsius. But if you want to change it, you just hold this for like 2 or 3 seconds, and then it will change from the Fahrenheit to Celsius. That's how you change the temperature. And here's the timer, which is a temp right here, timer's right here. And let me see, there's a three button right here. This one here is like there's a mode. This is 4 mode. It's already preset for you. So I will show you after. And this one here, you actually customize yourself the temperature. And this one here is on the auto press. And I will show you that too when I show you how to press the t-shirt. Okay. So for example, right here, let me also how you change the temperature plus or minus, or the time plus or minus. And this button here is blinking right now. It has like an R on it. This is a stop and start button. Okay. And let me show you the 4 mode right now. This is temperature mode. Hope you can see it. As you can see, it's 300 Fahrenheit for 15 seconds. The second one is 320, 15, 330 for 20, and then the last one 390, 400. So basically, all the temperature is 4 mode, because like sometimes you want to do like a heat press of the shirt only. Sometimes it's a vinyl, or you want to do a sublimation. That's what the different temperatures are. But you can look at the different are, the sublimation or vinyl or a regular cut or a regular press, and you will see it. And if you look at the manual, let's say for example sublimation. If you look into sublimation, which I do not do that yet, so eventually I will expand it myself to do a sublimation. That's what I would like to do. But right now I'm gonna start with a DTF transfer heat press. So once you, let's say for example, you put on the shirt here, let's say 300 degree Fahrenheit, and the time 15 seconds. That's what they recommend for the regular DTF heat transfer. Okay, when you press, when you put it on the shirt, you just close it, and when you push it in, make sure you actually push it like to the back. It will click. I can hear that. You click, it just stays there. And that's when you press the start button, and then the thing just goes down and press it. Because it is an automatic, once you reach 315 degree and then that 15-second countdown, once you get there, it just raises up by itself. So, but other stuff, you just have to press the button and just come out when it's not auto heat press. Okay, so that's what is the HTVrONT automatic heat press. I love the color. It's automatic, and I can change the temp manually, or there's a mode there. Usually and most likely I will use the mode. It's much easier. You press the button. When you get there, you can actually see it, and then you just wait until the temperature get there, and you just press, right? But an automatic, when you use the automatic, you actually, it saves some time, because when you do a DTF transfer, it's a cool peel, and Once you put them in, it does it. It press for you. That 15-second comes up, and you take out the shirt. You leave to the side to cool down, and then you put another t-shirt in. So you just keep going like a production, okay? And that's how you make it a little faster. That's why I like the auto heat press, okay? And that is it on the unopened box. And I do have some stuff to show you after, but this is it for now. And thank you for watching Tech Time with T, and hopefully you will enjoy this. And I will show you how to do, give you an example, how to do heat press, okay, on DTF transfer. Peace out.